this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix something isn't right. Try your request again later on X or Twitter. I mean, it's the same ad. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you are getting these errors you can see on screen, this is what you need to do. I'm going to show you for both Android and Apple. So on your Apple, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Then you want to find X in this drop down menu. From there you want to click on offload app and try again. If that doesn't work, go to the App Store, search for X and then update it if needed. If that also doesn't work or you don't have any updates available, come back to the iPhone storage and delete the app and reinstall it again from X. The steps for Android are similar. You have to go to the Google Play Store, click on the top right on your icon, then on the apps and management, find X, update it if needed. If there's no update available, then reinstall it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.